What is going on, guys? So here's an update on the 250 Ninja '09. I took off the rear mirrors. I'll put some mirror caps on there. I found out one of my forks is leaking, not this one, but the other one, which sucks. Took off both the front blinkers by putting some flush mounts on there. Make it look a little better. And then I'll probably do bar ends too, because I don't need mirrors. There's no law against it where I live, but I look at them quite a bit. What else? Still got to adjust the chain. It's pretty slack and rubbing up here, which I don't like at all. What else? Oh, I'm getting a fender eliminator. So here's the old one, the ugly one that would stick out super far. And I cut that just to see what I could do, something new anyway. And this is what it looks like. Not done, but it'll work for now until the other one comes in. The only thing I have against this one is I can't mount my license plate now. So we know where to do that. I gotta figure out some way to rig it. I don't know. Let's see. Tires starting to wear from burnouts, which I gotta quit doing. Also took the brackets off for the rear pegs on both sides and the exhaust. I'm probably gonna make an exhaust. It'll come out, I don't know, probably right there. It's a shorty. Since they don't make them for these models, best you can get is like a growler. And yeah, that's about it on the bike right now. Here's the exhaust, the side panels, the two seats. Here's the brackets for the kicks. And here's the mirrors. They're nice mirrors. I like the mirrors. But they look better without it. It's a small bike. So, yeah. Here's my toolbox. Yeah. In my apartment. So yeah, this thing was fun to get up here. I live on the second floor. And I don't know if you guys ever taken a bike upstairs, but it's not the best. Actually, I used the elevator. That was a lot easier than the stairs, but yeah, got it up here and I started to work on it, and this is where I'm at right now. So, hope you enjoyed. I will see you guys later.